He's
I
almost.
think he likes you.
Yeah, he's just almost starting to laugh.
What? What are you laughing at me? Are you laughing at me?
Oh,
No. Look here. Oh. Oh, honey.
Are you bipolar?
With me? Yeah. You're just not sure. You're just not sure. I know.
Just getting close to
I know,
bedtime.
that's tired too. You're just taking a good poop, are you?
No.
Yes.
He doesn't giggle like that very often.
What's wrong?
I'm tired.
Get this doggy. Come here, Ben. Come here. Come here. Oh, there's the doggy. Lay down, Ben. Yeah, how about the doggy? Do you like the doggy? Yeah, he's really sweet, isn't he? Yeah, he is. He's a good doggy. He's a good doggy and you're a good cat. Yes. You're such a wonderful little boy. Yes, you are. I know. So fun. And there's the kitty. Oh, here comes Charlie. Charlie likes to play with the doggy. Yeah, Charlie likes to play with the doggy. Oh, here comes the kitty. Here comes the kitty. Do you see the kitty? There's the kitty. Yeah, there's the kitty. Yeah, we can get him over a little bit. There you go. There. We got a kitty and a doggy. Yeah, isn't that fun? Oh, there's the kitty.
Mm. Careful. We're still working on gentle hands.
I'll protect Keller.
Oh, I protect
Charlie.
Charlie.
He can handle that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's the doggy. There's the doggy. Oh, I just got licked on the nose. Oh, there's the kitty. There's the kitty. The kitty says, lick me on the nose. Lick me on the nose. Gentle, gentle. Yes, the kitty. So fun. I know. Ben can hardly stand it. Ben, chill out. Chill out. Oh, good boy. Yes, Charlie's a good boy. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. All kinds of good stuff around here, huh? Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Bye, Charlie. There's the doggy. That's how I play with the dog. Yes, that's I feel like you're crying. That's awesome. I'm glad you laughed. That was a little bit loud. Yeah. Got your toes. I got your toes. Got your toes. got your nose. I got your nose. There's the dog. Here's a whoopee for you.
Ew.
You don't want to touch this one.
We thought you drilled a lot, killer.
Seriously. Come here, babe. There's the doggy. Yeah, there's the dog.
Oh, really?
Making noises. Yeah. Wasn't that too loud? Ooh, really?
Uh-oh.
Choke on your own spit. Careful now. Ben is so jealous. Yes, he is. Hey, puppy.
We have to give you a let me see something.
That was a little crazy, wasn't it? I just threw it for the dog. Yeah, I did. He likes it. Squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak. Really? Squeak, squeak.
Ben, lay down. Ben,
Lay down.
lay down.
Good boy. Here it comes. Here it comes. Got you. I got